Today we are going to be showing off one of these new trailers we just got in. It is a 2025 Prolite and it is the Escapade. This is a single slide out unit, but although it does have a slide out, it is still super lightweight. These Canadian trailers are built to last and they are built lightweight for cars, vans, and SUVs. This particular model, the Escapade, weighs in at about 1,975 pounds dry weight, but is still a perfect option for a couple looking to travel with their car, van, or SUV. Starting off with some features on the outside, the new 2025s do have this upgraded decal. You just got a nice simple blue badge on the side saying it's an Escapade, a nice bright white. As all the other Prolites, we do have a nice curve here, aerodynamic for the unit, but it also is a single piece of fiberglass from the front all the way to the back. So you're really eliminating any issues or concerns about having seams leak water through water damage, which is a nice touch. And the 2025s also do feature a higher ride height, so you're not going to be bottoming out. This particular Escapade, we've got a handful of them here, but has a couple of optional upgrades which we've added on to it. First one we're going to touch on is this stone guard on the front. Typically it's a piece of fiberglass that wraps all the way around. This model, we do have this extra stone guard to protect your trailer from stone chips flying up. Walking around to this side here, you'll notice we do have pass-through storage on the Escapade. You've got nice pass-through storage, access to some of your shut-offs that you need to and to do some maintenance, but you can store some belongings in here as well. Things like camp chairs, outdoor cooking materials, anything that you don't really want to bring inside the trailer, you can store it out here. This model does have a hard shell awning on the outside as well, and I'll take a peek at the back here. You have access to your spare tire. It's not mounted underneath the unit, gives you a little bit more clearance, and you have an auxiliary shower. Stepping on to the inside, we're going to show off a couple things here new to the 2025s, but also in particular to this trailer. We have added the TV for this. They have it mounted right here where you can swivel it around, have access to it anywhere you're sitting in the trailer. We've also added to this model these cabinets. Typically you will just have a little shelf here with a little wire mesh in front. We've upgraded to have the cabinets in this model. And we also just want to show off this particular model does have AC as well. Now, talking about Escapades in general, these 2025s have some nice things like stainless steel Kindred sinks, nice matte black faucets. This model, you've got a 2-burner stovetop and plenty of storage. With the 2025s, they have upgraded all of these latches to full metal latches. With anyone who's had an RV before knows, the plastic ones can tend to get damaged over time. And they also have added these hinges as well. It keeps these doors nice and lifted. You've got a nice traditional microwave, so plenty of cooking options between your microwave and your 2-burner stovetop. Related to the kitchen as well, you do have a propane and electric fridge freezer combo. You got a little freezer up top there, but still plenty enough if you're just doing a small camping day, and a decent sized fridge as well. For the small trailers, you do have ample storage here. This trailer is designed for a couple, so you're not bringing too many things along with you. And you've got a nice full shower back here. The 2025s have upgraded their waterproof wallpaper now to a full insert for the shower surround. You've got a nice matte black shower head there as well, and a toilet. Closing off the washroom here, this is the slide out part of the unit itself. This is a couch, does not pull out and convert to a bed, but you do have extra storage hidden behind, which I will show you. And the nice part of that means that you can have a bed set up 24/7. If you need a quick nap, you just need to pop down and take a nap, you're not taking down a dinette, rebuilding half the trailer. It's always set up, it's right at the door, and it's easy for you. If you are wanting to sit down and have a little meal, we'll slide this off. You do have storage in behind this, and underneath here you'll notice there is a folding table that you can pull out and have little meals at. I will set that up that you can see in pictures on our website. This slides back on, and then you've got your storage sorted there. Last thing I want to note about these 2025s is their brand new blind setup. I have a couple different configurations here. They used to be drapes in the Prolites, now we have full magnetic blinds. Since they're magnetic, it means if you just want a little bit of light, you can fold it halfway up. If you want all the light in, you can roll them all the way up and clip it with these also magnetic clips. And they are 100% block out light. If you need 100% darkness when you are sleeping, these are perfect for you. Also keeps all the air nice and insulated in here if you have these popped on. And since they are magnetic, they are just as easy to pull on as they are to put on. If you are a couple looking for a nice lightweight trailer with all the amenities such as a place to sleep, a place to cook, and a place to use the washroom, this Escapade is the perfect trailer for you. If you want to see everything else it has to offer and our other setups in the Escapades, come on down to Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.